Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about one of nature's sweetest gifts, honey. Honey isn't just delicious, it's incredibly good for your health too. It boosts your energy, makes your skin glow, and keeps your heart healthy. So make sure to watch till the end, because today you'll discover some amazing honey secrets you've probably never heard before. Let's begin.
What is? Honey is a natural sweet substance made by honeybees from the nectar of flowers. Bees collect nectar using their tongues, store it in their honey stomachs, and bring it back to the hive. There, it is processed, thickened, and stored in honeycombs, where it eventually becomes honey. Scientific explanation: bees convert flower nectar, a thin, watery liquid, into thick, golden honey using enzymes and evaporation. The main ingredients are fructose, approximately 38%, glucose, approximately 31%, water, approximately 17 to 20%, minerals, vitamins, enzymes, antioxidants, and amino acids. It's a natural energy source, antibacterial and antioxidant-rich food that never spoils. Honey found in ancient tombs thousands of years old is still edible. Strengthening immunity. Your immune system is your body's invisible armor, protecting you from colds, flu, and daily infections. And nature gives you a simple weapon: honey. Just a spoon of honey in warm water every morning awakens your body's natural defenses, strengthens immunity, and keeps your health balanced and strong. A natural protection, sweet, gentle, and powerful natural energy booster. When your body feels tired, when your mind begins to slow, nature offers a simple spark: honey. A spoon of honey gives you instant natural energy. Its glucose is quickly absorbed, fueling your muscles, your brain, and your heart. No chemicals, no crash, just pure, natural stamina, straight from the hive. Stay active, stay sharp. Let honey power your day. The natural energy booster. Better digestion. A healthy life begins with a healthy stomach, and honey is nature's gentle remedy. It soothes your stomach, improves digestion, and helps with gas, acidity, and constipation. A spoon of honey with warm water or milk brings calmness to your gut and comfort to your day. When your digestion is at peace, your body feels light and your mind feels free. Honey, the natural key to better digestion: cough and throat relief. When your throat feels sore, when every breath or word feels heavy, nature offers a soothing touch: honey. Just a spoon of honey coats your throat, calming the irritation, easing the pain, and reducing cough faster than many medicines. Mixed with warm tea or lemon water, it brings instant comfort and warmth. A simple remedy from nature, sweet, gentle, and full of healing. Brain and memory. Your brain, the center of thought, memory, and imagination, needs pure nourishment to stay strong. And honey is nature's brain food. Its natural sugars and antioxidants feed your mind, improving focus, sharpening memory, and protecting brain cells from stress and aging. A spoon of honey every day keeps your thoughts clear, your mind calm, and your memory alive, bright as the golden glow of nature itself. Weight management. If you're trying to lose weight, honey can be your sweetest ally. Replace sugar with honey, and you'll feel the difference. It fuels your body with clean energy, supports metabolism, and helps burn fat naturally. A spoon of honey with warm water and lemon each morning refreshes your system and sets your body in motion. Stay light, stay active. With honey, your weight loss journey becomes sweet, natural, and strong. Skin and hair beauty. Honey, nature's timeless beauty secret. It gently nourishes your skin, keeping it soft, hydrated, and glowing with life. Its natural enzymes clear acne, heal scars, and give your face a radiant shine. For your hair, honey locks in moisture, adds strength, and brings a silky, natural glow that no chemical can match. Pure, simple, and divine, honey turns everyday care into a ritual of natural beauty. Honey, the golden touch of nature. It hydrates your skin, softens it, and brings out a natural, healthy glow. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, it repairs, protects, and makes your skin shine from within. For your hair, honey locks in moisture, strengthens each strand, and gives it a silky, smooth glow, better sleep. After a long, busy day, your body and mind deserve peace. A spoon of honey before bedtime calms the brain, relaxes the nerves, and helps release melatonin, the natural sleep hormone. It soothes your heart, balances your sugar levels, and gently leads you into deep, restful sleep. Let your worries melt away, and let nature's sweetness guide you to peaceful dreams.